Welcome back to my new video. Today, I want to show you the reason why 7, 8, 9, and 0 button is not working. I know for sure a lot of us technicians find it very difficult to fix this issue. Today video, I will show you the reason why 7, 8, 9, 0 button not working. So without time wasted, let me start the video. I know for sure a lot of technicians have tried all the jumper ways for 0, 7, 8, 9 button, but at the end it's not working. But the technician, let me show you how you can be able to fix this in just a minute. But the technician, check this out. I've already finished this one. It's working perfectly. Please, my dear technician, before you start this process, before you start removing the shell, the heatsink, make sure you know how to reboil CPU. If not, the phone will not on again. Okay? Because the process I'm going to show you will require the use of reboiling tools so that you can be able to reboil the CPU and the phone back to life. So first thing is getting the shell removed. So take your time to do this. Let me get the shell removed. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section right now. Check this out, my dear technician. I'm done. The next thing is for me to remove the CPU. My dear technician, during this time, you have to be very careful. Okay? You have to be very careful. For the airflow, make sure you set the normal airflow. For the temperature, make sure you set the normal heat temperature. If not, you're going to burn the IC or you're going to damage the IC completely during the process. So you have to be very careful. Check this out. Make sure you apply flux. Check this out. Heat up. I will show you the reason why 7, 8, 9, 0 buttons are not working. Check this out. I will show you the reason why. It's very simple to fix it. No time wasted. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, have in mind that not all the phone CPU that you can use this method to remove it. Okay? To remove the IC. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you say so? Okay, the main reason why I'm saying this is that there are some CPU that they use gum to gum it. They are gum under the CPU, and if you try this method, you won't be able to remove the CPU perfectly. At the end, you will spoil the CPU. So I strongly recommend you to check before you use this particular method to remove it. If it is Android phone, please make sure you use your scraper knife or any tools that you know that they use to remove the CPU. Just use it to remove perfectly. My dear technician, now let me show you the main reason why the 7890 button are not working. Check this out. If you check this place right here, you can see, check this face line here. You can see there's open circuit. You can see that the leg cut. So this is the reason why the buttons are not working. So for you to fix it, you need to run a jumper and use your UV curing mask and lamp to cure it, and you're good to go. By the technician, I'll drop the full video in the comment section. Make sure you check the comment section or you check the description of this video. You'll see the link to watch the full video. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this 0, 7, 8, 9, whatsoever button that you have any question concerning, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, my dear technician, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, so let me show you that it works. Let me show you. The phone is back to life. Let me show you. 7, 8, 9, 0 button works like magic. This is still the phone. This is the PCB. I've not changed it. This is still the phone. This is still the PCB. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free, let me know. Check this out. I will test all the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, 0, hash. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. My dear technician, it works. I'm testing again for you guys to see. I'm testing again. Make sure you watch the full video so that you learn a lot. Check this out, my dear technician. I'm testing again. Check this out. It works like magic. All the button works like magic. All the button works like magic. Check this out. I will turn and show you that it's still the PCB. It's still the phone. Check this out. This is the connection that I did, the jumper that I did. Thank you and bye-bye.